What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Kraton RTR EXB 6S. What I'm doing today, I'm gonna do a speed test and I'm gonna talk about the car a little more, what I see, how it runs, give you my honest opinion. I got my GNS ready to clock the speed, but all right, before I get started, yo, that bulkhead kills me. I just like to just sit there and look at this bulkhead. Just sit there and look at it. I could do a whole video just looking at it. But like I was saying, the car, the steering seems a little weak. I don't know why. It don't seem like that in my Kraton, my Outcast EXB, but in this one, it just seems so weak. The body is flimsy, just like the other EXB bodies. You would think they would have did a little more to that body. It looked good, but it's very flimsy. All right, this is gonna be my first pass. This is 50% too. And of course, Mr. Brains here didn't even tighten the brakes. But all right, let's bring it back. This is only 50%. And the bad part is I didn't mess in the ESC, so there go that LiPo cut off early. Didn't even start yet. But I'm gonna check that speed. That one pass seemed pretty good. Check that speed real quick. Be right back. Yo, that was 58 miles an hour. Oh yeah, I definitely need to tighten them brakes. But I got what I'm running it on. I didn't put the speed gear in there. I put my speed gear in there, and it's a 22 in there. And I'm running this on the 22. Want to see how I hold up? I want to check the temps when I'm finished. I'm gonna throw it up to 100%. That was only 50%, and it was 58 miles an hour. I just don't want it to flip, which I know it's going to. Nice and straight though. Give it that much. It is nice and straight. Yeah, that's cutting. It's cutting on me. I think that 22 might be a little too much. 22 is a little much. That was 59 miles an hour. I knew 20 teeth was gonna be too much, but I had to try it. I only got 59 miles an hour, 60 at most. Really trying to light trigger it. Hopefully I can get a full. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change it. It's gonna keep cutting it. It's not willing because I dropped it down low, hit the droop screws lower, and I tightened up the shocks. Let me check that speed real quick. Yeah, I got 60 miles an hour with that one. I need to I'm gonna bring that pinion down, and then I'm gonna continue my speed test off road. All right, this is part 2. I down that pinion gear. I'm only gonna do like 2 passes, so I want to go over to this park real quick. Yo, she cut on me. Yeah, I'm gonna just bash around real quick to see if it's still happening, which it shouldn't, because I bashed around with it before. But the thing is, it do need to be updated. I saw that. I thought they fixed that, but I want to see if this is gonna make a difference. Oh, this grass is wet. Oh yeah. Oh man, I'm scuffing up my roof. I almost made it. Definitely testing the durability. Now you notice how it didn't cut though? It only cut at like excessive speed. This thing is a beast. And see how it didn't cut? Now I got it on, I'm just bashing around instead of doing the speed test. I had the same problem with my outcast. Before it's outcast, like excessive speeds, it cut. Like normal bashing, it don't do nothing. You wouldn't think it had that problem. This thing is a blast. I dropped it down low so it don't willy. It will not willy. I mean, it will willy if I put the punch level up. Oh, my son's sick. Yo. Well, you know what I'm gonna do? This bashing speed, I'm gonna check this speed real quick, see what, and it cut. Cause I full throttle it. It's like if you full throttle for maybe a couple seconds, it'll cut. But I'm gonna check that speed, that bashing speed, see what I got. Yeah, I forgot to record the speed. It cut on me though. I gotta test the outcast. I tested it a little bit. I tested a little bit, but I tested a little bit, but not heavy duty testing. I have to do some big time testing on it. Yo, it is a beast though. I'm back from the bash and give you my thoughts on the Arrma Kraton 6S RTR EXB. So I went to the shop. I asked Adam, you know, what's going on? Could you figure it out for me? Because I was lost. So he was like, the LBC is a little on the high side, which I thought in my initial thoughts with the outcast. And for some reason, it's not pushing the power like it's supposed to. Other people, I don't remember hearing nobody else have this problem. I think JT just did a speed run with his, if I'm not mistaken. And his was fine. I think he got the high 50 something. Like I got 50, what's the highest I got on? Because I'm running the 16 tooth, because I didn't mention that in the video. I put it down to the 16 tooth, the speed pinion. And I got about 52, I believe, 52, 53 miles an hour. That's what I believe I got. And I know it could do better than that. From what I'm seeing from this ESC, the ESC is, it needs work. It needs work. It needs a lot of work. Because I was wondering why all three of my new rigs is LBC. And then I thought about it. I think the Outcast, the big 8S Outcast, did the same thing, but I'm not sure, because I never really truly full throttled that truck. If y'all remember my previous videos of that car, I never truly full throttled it. It was for like a second. But yeah, I had to clean her off because she was really dirty. Everything else performed great. Like it's a tank. I had some bad crashes with it, and it held out pretty good. My drive of the Big Rock, I didn't experience that, but I never full throttle. That's the thing. I haven't, you know, kept on that full throttle for a minute. I kept on full throttle with this and the 4S Outcast. I kept on the full throttle and it cut on me. So hopefully turning it to 3.2, hopefully that helps. Yeah, I'd like to give a shout out to Garth Smith. He gave me a super thanks. I'm gonna put him up in the corner there at Garth Smith 5535. I'd like to give him a major shout out for his donation to my channel. That's super thanks. Also like to give Adam a shout out for helping me out with this problem, because I couldn't figure it out and I was getting a little frustrated. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. Oh man, jeez. Oh yeah, check out my little stickers I added here. They're bringing out a lot more with them little stickers. Little stickers up front that I ruined. And I'm out.